In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a professional and personalized testimonial slider for your Wix website. Testimonials are potent ways to establish trust with potential customers, showing off your prior successful collaborations, services, or products. And creating an engaging testimonial slider on Wix is easier than you may think. Now, let's begin by getting to the heart of your Wix site. The first thing to do is to access the Wix editor of your site. This is the platform where we are going to undertake most of the tasks in creating our testimonial slider. By having the Wix editor open, we're setting the stage for customization and creating that exceptional user experience for your site visitors. Once you have the editor open, guide your mouse to the left corner of the screen. There, you will spot an option to add elements. This option is crucial as we're about to add an actionable element on your site. So go ahead and give it a click. Voila! We're now steered in the right direction. After you've clicked to add elements, a new section will appear, offering a palette of options to maximize your website's potential. This is where you will find the option labeled as Strip. Navigate your way to this option and give it a good click. You've just set the stage for the next step. Now, with the help of this Strip option, you can now see multiple options. Look for the one that says Testimonial, as this is our main focus today. Once you find this, click on it. Congratulations! This click is bringing you closer to that compelling testimonial slider. Upon initiating the testimonial option, a gallery of aesthetically designed templates will open up. Take a moment here and select the best template that aligns with the theme, feel, and look of your site. Grab your chosen one, then drag and drop it onto your website. Yes, it's that easy, isn't it? With the template now nicely set on your website, there's one final step we need to complete our testimonial slider: customization. You can mold this template to speak for your brand, for your business. To do this, all you need to do is double-click on the template. Once you've double-clicked, Wix provides you with all the customization options. You can modify the text, giving it a more personal touch. Incorporate names of your satisfied customers, and even include their photos. Wix is incredibly flexible and allows you to customize your testimonial slider to suit your brand and engage your site's visitors. And there you have it, the steps to create a testimonial slider for your Wix website. Putting a spotlight on your customers' positive experiences has never been this easy. Now it's your turn to take these